Now, part 5 of 12, codominance, genetics and inheritance, grade 12, life sciences. Codominance is a genetic cross in which both alleles are expressed equally in the phenotype. Example of codominance: a purebred bull with a red coat is mated with a purebred cow with a white coat. The calf is roan. Okay, you have a purebred bull with a red coat. Okay, a red coat mated. Okay, crossed, mated with a cow with a white coat. Okay, so they are crossed, and now you have the calf, okay, which is roan. Okay, this is roan. So you have a purebred bull with a red coat. A purebred meaning homozygous. The male of a cow is known as a bull. So this is homozygous red bull. Okay, homozygous. You have R and R. Okay, homozygous. Two of the same letters. Okay, R for red. Okay, for codominance, you're going to have C, the letter C with superscript. Okay, for codominance, you're going to have the letter C, just to avoid the confusion between codominance and incomplete dominance. So this is purebred, okay, homozygous white cow. Okay, so when they are crossed or when they are mated, you have a calf which is roan. Okay, a calf is the young of a cow. Okay, so you are going to have heterozygous. Okay, heterozygous because you are going to have the allele from this bull and the allele from this cow. Okay, W and R. Okay, R, W, W for white, R for red. Okay, this is why you have heterozygous, meaning two different letters. Okay, so in this case, you have codominance. Codominance is a genetic cross in which both alleles are expressed equally in the phenotype. Okay, you have the allele for red coat and the allele for white coat. They are both expressed in the offspring. Okay, in the calf. No allele is dominant over the other allele. Okay, so they are both co-dominant to each other. Okay, they are both expressed. You can see from the definition. Okay, so this is codominance. Okay, now the word roan. The word roan. Roan is a coat color found in many animals, including horses, cattle, antelope, cats, and dogs. It is defined generally as an even mixture of white and pigmented hairs that do not fade away as the animal ages. Okay, let's solve a genetic problem on codominance. Okay, this is the problem. Represent a genetic cross to show the possible genotypes and phenotypes of the F1 generation of plants. Okay, solution, you are going to use this format. Okay, from this, when you read from this, all the plants that grew, okay, the offspring, all the plants that grew from the cross had flowers with equal distribution of red and white color. Okay, from this, I can tell that I'm dealing with codominance. Okay, you have a plant with white flowers cross-pollinated with a plant with red flowers. Okay, white and red. Now you have the offspring. They have equal distribution of red and white color. Okay, white and red, you cross. Now you have equal distribution of red and white. From this, you understand you are dealing with codominance. Now, represent a genetic cross. Okay, you are going to use this format. P1, phenotype. Okay, phenotype is about the physical appearance. Okay, so you have white flowers. Okay, a plant with white flowers. You cross with a plant with red flowers. Okay, this is the physical appearance. Okay, phenotype. Now you have the genotype, the genetic makeup. Okay, so you are dealing with codominance. You are going to have this for white. You cross with this. Okay, C for codominance. Okay, C with superscript R. R for red. Now you are going to have meiosis. Through meiosis, the gametes are going to be produced. So you are going to have this separated so that you have your gametes. Okay, they have to separate through meiosis so that you have your gametes. Okay, write them separated. You can have circles around them if you want. Okay, now you have your gametes. Now you are going to have fertilization. At fertilization, you are going to have your Punnett square. Okay, you have your gametes there. You are going to put one parent this side and another parent this side. Okay, so you can have this side. Okay, your gametes for one parent, and this side your gametes for another parent. Okay, now you are going to cross them. In the case of incomplete dominance, this is going to be pink. But remember, we have C for codominance. Okay, both alleles are expressed in the phenotype of the offspring. Now you are going to have F1 genotype. F1 genotype. You are going to have your genetic makeup. Okay, you have 4 of these. Okay, or you can say 100% of these, they are the same. Okay, now the phenotype for F1. Phenotype for F1. You are going to talk about the physical appearance. You can say you have flowers with equal distribution of red and white color. You have your phenotype in the question. Okay, all the plants that grew from the cross had flowers with equal distribution of red and white color. This is your phenotype of the offspring. Okay, so this is the phenotype, what you can see. Okay, the physical appearance. Or you can say all plants have both red and white flowers. So try to say something along these lines. Okay, you don't have the ratio. Okay, we are done with part 5 of 12.